Hello, YouTube! Why did you run away?
I don't know.
Alright, let's
go back. Let's do it again.
let's welcome Mr. Hash Brown all the way from the cafeteria. Okay, tell us how to do this problem, please.
It says for a numerical expression for the verbal phrase, and it's 5 times 32.
5 times 32. Do we agree?
Yes.
Excellent. I think he's doing such a great job, we have to make him do another one. How about number 2? The total number of CDs, if you have 23, and we're given 7 more for your birthday. What do you say?
I say 23 plus 7.
Do we agree?
Yes.
Good. Let's give him a hand. A YouTube sensation sweeping the nation. Now, remember, you don't want to just write the numerical answer like 30. You don't want to write 23 plus 7 equals 30, because that's an equation. You want to write a numerical expression. Thank you. Okay, so banana, whatever it is. Coming all the way from the cafeteria at Golden Oak High School. All right, number 4, help us out here, please.
Number 4, first you have to do the parentheses, which is
Correct.
equals 4.
Right, so 8 divided by 2. Now, careful the second step. This is a little weird, right? Because you must multiply or divide in the order they appear. Then your answer will be clear. Very good. All right, so what do we do first?
First you divide 8 into 2.
Right, so we get 4 times 4 equals 2. 16. How many people got 16 on that one? Some people probably hadn't done it yet. All right, very good. All right, that was banana. Banana. All right, I'll do this next one quickly. So first, in the innermost grouping symbols, 14 minus 11 minus 3 is 8, I believe, plus 6 divided by 2. So notice how I'm writing my work out. That helps a lot. Now we do division first. 14 minus 7. Thank you very much. Good thing Sushi's up in the front row so that she can help me. We actually have 2 Sushis in here. We have Sushi and Sushi Boy. Okay. And we have a rice person too. Rice. But we got a lot of food. What other food do we have in here? We have the spicy avocado and olive. Okay. So the answer is 7, but I digress. D-I-G-R-E-S-S. Okay. Now, before we do this one, you have to be aware, like I told you before, if you see a big fraction, the numerator and denominator focuses like parentheses. Functions, like parentheses. So, library, come on down. Library's coming all the way from Washington, D.C. All right, what do we do, young lady?
So first, you're going to see the numerator and do the parentheses in the numerator, which
Very
is
good.
equal 10.
So that'll be 3 times 10 over
32 minus 26. And if you do that math, you should get 6.
Right.
And
So it's good.
3 times 10 equals 30 over 6. You divide 30 by 6 and you get 5.
Excelente. Okay. Are you volunteering? When you define your variable, you must use the word let. If you do not, I will mark the problem incorrect. So let's make sure we do that. All right. Now this one's a little tricky. So what did you define for your variable in number 8? Very good. You didn't get tricked. Did anybody put like M for money, or did nobody get there yet? Did anybody do this, or who did it the right way for D? Very good.
Yeah.
All right. So we said let D equal what? What's D stand for?
Or day.
Yeah. So number of days a boat is rented. Number of days a boat is rented. Good. And what is your algebraic expression?
D times 80 or 80 times D.
Right. I would do it algebraically. 80D is a little better. But yeah, D times 80 would definitely get the answer correct as well. Excellent job, Sushi Boy.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to skip those other two. Let's look at evaluating the expression. Who would like to come down here? Should I use your first name? Because I have not approved your code name yet. First name? Right. Logan, come on down. Logan's coming all the way from Ireland. He flew in today. All right, Mr. Logan. All right, pick any one of these problems. How about that? 12. What color? Green. All right. Okay, how do we do it?
So you multiply
Multiply 3 times.
3 times 4 because
Mhm.
x equals 4,
Good.
and you get 12
Well, let's write it out first.
Oh.
Plus.
plus 2 times 8,
Good.
and then it's minus 6.
Very good. Okay, what do we do first?
So you multiply 3 times 4,
Mm-hmm.
and you get 12.
Mm-hmm.
You multiply 2 times 8,
Mm-hmm.
and you get 16.
Mm-hmm.
You add them together, and you'll get 28.
Let's write it out first.
Oh.
So 28 minus 6 is...
22.
All right, very good. Mr. Logan, there he goes. Okay, now remember on 11, that's x times y times z. 4 times 8 times 6. Be careful, it's not 486. Okay, I'm going to move on. By the way, if you're working ahead, we're actually going to cross off 20 and 21. Even though you can kind of use logic for these, I'd rather have you use algebra, and we don't have those algebra. Well, we haven't gone through that algebra yet, so I'm going to bring them back once we've done our algebra for that later in the YEAR. Okay, yeah, that thing. All right, who wants to give us 3 properties? Okay, Mr. Rice. Come on down. He told me he wanted to be codenamed Rice. He came in all the way from China. Rice. Okay. Okay, Rice, come here. What do we have? What's the first one?
The first one is commutative property. For 18 plus 0 equals 8.
8 plus 0 equals 8 is not commutative property. Sorry.
Oh wait, no.
What is it?
It's identity.
Very good. Okay, good. So identity, property of what?
Addition.
Very good. Now you have to put that. You have to put that.
Number 16 is associative, and it's property.
The operation.
Yeah, the operation is multiplication.
Excellent. Associative, I'm going to just go prop. Prop of addition. Good. Oh, why was I looking? Because associative starts with an A. Good job. Multiplication. My mistake. Okay, what about number 18?
This one is commutative. and the operation is addition. Oh no, multiplication.
Property of multiplication. Very good. All right. Go have a seat, Mr. Rice. All right. Anyone for the other three properties? Okay, you already went. The spicy avocado's coming down here. Spicy avocado. She came in all the way from.
California.
Do they grow avocados in California?
Yeah, they do.
Okay, from Central California. Okay, spicy avocado. What makes you so spicy? You don't know? All right. Anyway, there you go. All right. 9 times 1 equals 9. What's the property?
Identity of multiplication.
First one.
Identity of multiplication.
Oh, wait, I've got avocado color. Sorry. Identity property of. How do you know? Yes, but there are other properties of multiplication. How do you know it's identity? That's what I meant.
Oh, because it's times 1.
Because you start out and end with the same number, right? 9 here equals to 9. Okay, what about the next one? Multiplicative. Everybody say multiplicative.
Multiplicative.
Very good. Property of. Correct. No, property of not multiplication.
Zero.
Of 0, yes. I think the other class said 0 property of multiplication, which actually now I have to do domain and range. Who's ready? All right, Mr. Marcus. Come on down, Marcus. Marcus is coming all the way from Mars. Mars, all the way from Mars. Okay, what do we have? Domain and range.
Domain.
Yes.
Domain is like the first number of the pair.
Correct.
And
So what are they?
5, 8, 13, 6, and 2. Wait.
Here?
No,
Oh, you're looking at this
yeah.
problem. Okay, so we'll do that problem. What problem is that? It's 24. All right, go ahead. So 5, 8, 13, 6, and 2. However, you have to put them in order. Put them in order. So, we're going to put them in order. I know I didn't emphasize that before that much, but let's do that. 2, 5, 6, 8, and 13. Okay? Range. Now let's put those in order too. So what do we have first for the lowest range?
Lowest range 3.
Oops. That was weird. I moved the whole screen thing in my jagger. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oopsie daisies. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh, we got problems. Did you see it? It moved. The whole thing. It moved. Meow. It's not moving now. Wait. 8. Oh. I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Alright. What I meant to do was move this thing. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so the lowest range is 3.
3.
And then it's 4.
Uh-huh.
And then it's 5.
5.
And then it's 7.
Yes.
And then it's
7 and 8. Good. Very good. Let's give him a hand. Alright, this one's tricky. Did anybody find the rule?
The rule is
Wait, good thing.
Now, by the way, it's what do you do to x from x to get to y?
Oh, what you do?
Yeah, it's not going down y because that's adding 4. Yeah.
It's multiply by 4 and then add 10.
Excellent. Did you get that too? Multiply times 4 and add 10. I know he's right, but check that out. Right? What's 1 times 4 plus 10? That's 14. What about 2? 2 times 4 plus 10 8 plus 10, 18. See how that works? How'd you figure that out, sir?
I looked at it for a while
Mm-hmm.
and just thinking and then finally decided that 2 times 4
Mm-hmm.
plus 10 is 18 and 1 times 4
Yeah.
plus 10 is 14.
Well, good job, Blaster. Okay, let's hear it for Blaster. And that's pretty much it. Except, let's write it out first in words, and then we're going to write in like an algebra rule. So what are the words again? The words are, what are we doing to x? Times 4 plus 10. Okay. Now we need to write an equation. So y is equal to something x, something, something, something. Anybody?
Y is equal to x times 4 plus 10.
X times 4, right, but we're going to write it as 4x. 4x plus 10. If you wrote x times 4 plus 10, I'll give you credit for that too. That's a tough one. I don't know if I don't think the problem on the test is that hard. All right, everybody say goodbye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube!